Welcome to the SleepPlay YouTube channel. My name is Ozzy and I'm the respiratory therapist with SleepPlay.com. Today we're going to be introducing the SoClean 3. Now, what is the SoClean 3? The SoClean 3 is actually an ozone cleaner for your CPAP equipment. Let's get to unboxing it. This is the SoClean 3. If you see, it's a complete redesign from the previous models. Now, this is the front of the SoClean 3. On the back of the SoClean 3, we have a little compartment that opens up. That's where you're going to put your filter cartridge. Now, mind you, you have to replace this filter cartridge every 6 months. The SoClean 3 will let you know when you need to replace the filter. Down here at the bottom, you're going to have where you're going to connect your power. You're going to have a USB connection so you can connect your cell phone and charge your cell phone while you have the SoClean 3. So if it's taking up the space on your nightstand, you can always plug it into here and you could still be charging your cell phone. You're going to have the ozone tubing. This ozone tubing goes connected to your CPAP device via the special adapter. Now you want to make sure when ordering your SoClean 3 that you specify which machine you're ordering it for. If you have a ResMed AirSense 10, you're ordering it for an AirSense 10. For an 11, DreamStation 2, whatever machine you have, you want to make sure that when you order, you let us know which machine you have. We'll have special packages available for different devices so that you get the correct adapter for your machine. Connecting the power to your SoClean 3 is very simple. You're going to get your power adapter and just push it right into the machine. You're gonna see that the machine lights up. Having the power connected, you can press the button on top, the lid's gonna open. Inside, you're gonna see the light. That light is just so in the middle of the dark when you're trying to put in your CPAP equipment, you can see where it goes. It has a port on the side where you're gonna put your CPAP tubing and you put your mask inside the chamber. Close the lid. When you press the button here, this is to cycle the machine. The machine, if it does not have the tubing in place, it senses it and it won't turn on. It won't run a cycle. This right here, this button it's a delay. If you press it once, it's gonna delay it for 2 hours. Twice is 4 hours. 3 times is 8 hours. And if you press it 4 times, it erases the delay. Now the machine is already gonna have a set delay for 2 hours. This right here is to run a fresh air cycle through all the equipment. Of course, the tubing has to be in the machine. The machine has to sense that there's something inside the machine to be able to run that cycle. Now, a thing that I want to go over is these SoClean machines. This is not completely eliminating the need to clean your mask. When your mask, if you have anything visible, any phlegm or anything that's visible on the mask, that's something that you're going to have to wash out manually by hand. This is something to disinfect your equipment. What it does, it runs activated oxygen and it kills all the living organisms inside. This is something that it helps to, people that don't want to clean it all the time, it helps them so that they can clean it less often. My recommendation is warm soapy water. Go back to basics, guys. Warm soapy water is all you need to make sure that you rinse thoroughly your mask, rinse thoroughly your tubing, and you're good to go. As far as your water chamber, the same. Water with warm soapy water and rinse it out very good. Once a week, you can use water and white vinegar on your water chamber to make sure you disinfect it completely. But for those of you trying to eliminate those steps and not having to do it so frequently, this is one of the options available to you. If you have any comments or questions, please leave a comment down below. We'll be sure to get back to you. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Until next time, my name is Ozzy. See you on the next one.